Good morning, students. Today the topic of our practical is to determine the study water holding capacity of the given sample of soil and correlate it with the kind of plants growing in the soil sample. So what are the material required? You can see 3 measuring jars, 3 funnels, soil samples, water and filter paper. As we are doing it at home, you can see here I have taken 3 glasses, same type of glass, and marked it with in the milliliter up to 100. Okay, and we need 3 funnels. So if you don't have funnel, you can cut the bottle, waste bottle, and make funnel. Okay, so in this way I have made 3 funnels, and the 3 soil sample, as you can see, sample A, sample B and sample C, collected from the different area. One is garden soil, one is roadside soil, and one is collected from the pathway. Now what we need is, we need to take filter paper. If you don't have filter paper, you can take the napkin and make a circular one like this. You have to fold this and make a cone to keep in the funnel. So you can put this cone in the funnel to cover the stem of the funnel. Okay, is this clear? Now we can put the soil sample in it. We can take that. So in this way we have to take 3 funnels with the 3 soil sample. In the same manner, you can put paper or you can put napkin paper to just cover the stem of the opening of the funnel. And now we have to keep this in the 3 measuring cylinders. So now we have this 3 measuring cylinder with 3 funnels with 3 soil sample. Now we are going to read the percolation property, how much water it can hold and how much water can percolate through it. That comparative study we have to do. So I am taking one measuring cylinder. Here it is marked. You can see marking is there for milliliter, 40, 80, 120, 180. So what we need is we need to take equal amount of water for each of this. So this is up to 40 ml. Okay, so I am putting this in the sample A. In the same manner, we can take more 40 ml for sample B and for sample C. Here you can see water is percolating through that, and the percolation rate we have to find out. So now the rate of percolation in all the 3 sample, you can see, is different. We have to wait for a few minutes so that we can check the rate of percolation. Now we need to make this table, observation table, where you have to mark the soil sample. You can write the area from where you have collected. For weight, you can, if you don't have any weighing machine, we can take equal amount of soil with the same measurement, and then volume of water poured will be equal. Here, as I have taken only the 40 ml, you can take more also. Okay, then after some time we have to check the volume of water collected in the measuring cylinder, and then with this measurement we can determine the volume of water retained by the soil, and that is with this formula we can determine the water holding capacity of the soil in percentage. That is water retained in the soil divided by the weight of the soil into 100. So this will give the water holding capacity of the soil in percentage, and rest we can say that is volume of water collected will be the rate of percolation. So in this way we have to fill this table. So look here, as now after a few minutes, as we can see, percolation stopped, but you can see I'm just taking off this soil samples from all the 3 jars, and now we can compare. Like in first sample, you can see the water is up to 10 ml. Okay. In second sample, water is very less than 10 ml. Whereas in third sample, water is up to 15 ml. So now we can understand, if we are filling this observation table with the same amount of water collected in the jar, we can determine the rate of percolation. And if we compare this rate of percolation, we can find out that the volume retained by garden soil and roadside soil for the water holding capacity. So what we see at the end, we can find that garden soil allows the least amount of water to pass through it, as it has got maximum water holding capacity. What precautions you need to take? You need to take identical muslin cloth or the filter paper. You need to take equal amount of water for each sample, and take the reading of the water drained out with no more water is dropped from the stem of the funnel. So that you have to take care of. Thank you.